Hey, so I wanted to share with you about my Money Back May that is happening with 31 in May of 2021. Okay, so what is Money Back May? So if you join 31 as a consultant and you submit $1,000 in personal volume or in sales in your first 30 days of being a consultant, then you are going to earn back the cost of your enrollment kit. It doesn't matter which kit that you choose. We have 3 of them, remember? It doesn't matter which kit that you choose, but if you submit $1,000 in personal volume in your first 30 days, you're going to earn back the cost of your kit, okay? Plus, there are so many more benefits to doing that, okay? So first, let's chat about our enrollment kits, okay? So we have 3 different enrollment kits that you can choose from. This is our basic bestsellers kit. It is $59. It's valued at $261. I like to call all 3 of our enrollment kits a business in a box because they come with business supplies. So not only do you get the products, but you get the catalogs, the order forms, all of those business tools that you need to get started. And something that's super fun and makes this a lot more fun when you're enrolling is you get to choose, you get to customize your own kit. So you can choose your own prints and you get to personalize the items, your choice of personalization on the items that get personalized in your kit. So this is called the Basic Bestsellers Kit. You'll see that all 3 of these kit enrollment options have our top selling products to help you start off super strong. Okay, so that's our $59 kit. We have a $99 signature fan faves kit. It's valued at $431, and you'll see that each kit will build on the one before. So you'll see the same products in that first kit, but you have a few more in this one. So I love this kit. I think this is a great mid option. And then we have this is my favorite. This is called the Ultimate Goal Getter Kit. It's $179, and it's valued at $769. I mean, look at all of the amazing products that you get in this enrollment kit. Now, we also have a new consultant program called our Jumpstart. So when you submit a certain amount of personal volume in your first 30 days and your first 90 days, you earn products that way too. So you get to double dip in so many different ways by becoming a 31 consultant. Now, at the end of this video, I will link my video for the enrollment kits. And I'll also link my video for frequently asked questions when thinking about joining 31. Now, if you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your consultant, or even if you're interested in joining as a consultant, I would love to be your sponsor and help you start off very strong. So just think about the 31 opportunity, whether you just want to make some extra money, whether you just love the product so much, you've got to be the first to get your hands on them, the first to know everything. Maybe you just need some girl time. Maybe you need a way to give back and do fundraisers. Maybe you've got big financial goals, or you have a home improvement project, whatever it is. I think this Money Back May is really for those go-getters, okay? Those people that are going to join, they're going to start off, they're going to do this business, and those are the ones that are going to earn back the cost of their enrollment kit. So I really think this incentive is for the go-getters for sure. So are you a go-getter? Are your goals in front of you? Can you reach them? Are they a little bit far from reach? Well, just think about how 31 can help you. It's blessed my family beyond belief, and I love sharing the blessing of 31 with others and helping those start off strong that joined with me. So I hope that you will consider joining in May and work to have that Money Back May and get the cost of your enrollment kit back. I promise you, when we do your launch party, it's totally within reach. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to link below my VIP group. So if you don't have a 31 consultant, click the link to join my group and answer the 2 questions, and then I will send you back a private message, okay? So just make sure that you check your folders, those message folders on Facebook Messenger. It might go to your message request folder or your spam folder, so check those, and hopefully you'll see that reply message back from me, and we'll get you added to my VIP group, okay? If you don't have a consultant, like I said, I would love to be your girl. If you're interested in becoming an insider, a hostess with me, we can definitely chat about that too. So thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.